Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning to explore how they are revolutionizing the field of predictive maintenance. Imagine being able to predict when a machine will break down before it even happens. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, thanks to AI and ML, this is now a reality. By analyzing vast amounts of data, these technologies can identify patterns and anomalies that would go unnoticed by humans, allowing for proactive maintenance and avoiding costly downtime. But how does it all work? Let's break it down. First, AI algorithms are trained on historical data from machines, such as sensor readings and maintenance logs. This data is then used to create a model that can accurately predict when a machine will need maintenance. This is where machine learning comes in. As the machine continues to operate, it sends real-time data to the AI model, which is constantly updating and refining its predictions. This means that the longer the model is in use, the more accurate it becomes. One key insight to keep in mind is that AI and ML are not meant to replace human maintenance technicians, but rather to enhance their skills and abilities. By utilizing these technologies, maintenance teams can focus on more complex tasks and strategic planning, while AI takes care of the routine and repetitive tasks. This can lead to increased efficiency and cost savings for companies. So whether you're in the manufacturing, transportation, or energy industry, predictive maintenance using AI and ML has the potential to transform your operations. And here's the best part. It's not just for big corporations with huge budgets. With the advancements in technology, AI and ML are becoming more accessible and affordable for businesses of all sizes. So, for all our tech-savvy viewers out there, here's your call to action. Start exploring the world of AI and ML and see how it can benefit your organization. And for those who want to take their skills to the next level, Fastlane has a range of IT training courses that cover these cutting-edge technologies. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.